10 uses of banana peels you probably ignored. Bananas are a delicious and healthy food that contains fiber, essential nutrients such as potassium, and antioxidants such as vitamin C. There are only a few people who don't like bananas. They are full of vitamins, trace elements, and nutritious. If they aren't enough, they are delicious and sweet. In this video, we collected the most practical uses for banana peels that will change how you feel about this fruit. Before continuing, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. This will give us the power to continue making content like this. 1. Banana peels for whitening teeth. A 2015 study by a trusted source shows that banana peels have demonstrated antibacterial activity against Actinomycetum comitans and P. gingivalis. These bacteria contribute to periodontal diseases, such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Although this and other studies haven't focused on the direct application of banana peel to teeth, practitioners of natural healing claim rubbing a banana peel on your teeth is good for your teeth and gums. They also suggest that doing this every day for a week may whiten your teeth. 2. Fertilizer from your kitchen waste. Banana peels for household cleaning. Instead of putting them directly into your trash or compost, many people have found household uses for banana peels, including using them to polish and brighten houseplant leaves, leather shoes, silverware. 3. Nutritional value of banana peel. The nutritional value of banana peels varies based on the cultivar and maturity stage. The plantain peel contains less fiber than dessert banana peels, and lignin content increases with ripening, from 7 to 15% dry matter. Dried banana peels contain 6 to 9% protein and 20 to 30% fiber. Green plantain peels contain 40% starch that is transformed into sugars after ripening. Green banana peels contain much less starch, about 15%, than green plantain peels, while ripe banana peels contain up to 30% free sugars. 4. Reduce under-eye puffiness. There's a reason so many beauty and skin products are made with banana or banana peel tincture. Bananas are great for brightening and softening skin because they're loaded with moisturizing vitamin E, which is known to help fade dark spots and scars. It's also a potent antioxidant that can protect against oxidative damage, significantly contributing to aging. Cut the peel into smaller pieces that will fit nicely under your eyes. Place them on your face for 15 minutes to half an hour, then rinse with your everyday cleanser. 5. Remedy to control aphids and ants. The banana peels are toxic to ants and aphids. It is best to mix some banana peels in water and spray them on the plants. You can repeat this every week to keep your plants pest-free. You can also use lemon juice as a natural remedy for controlling these insects, but ensure it's organic since chemicals may be present in pesticides used on bananas too. 6. Natural fertilizer for plants. Banana peels are rich in potassium, magnesium and other nutrients. They are also a good source of potassium. One way to use banana peels as natural fertilizer is by spreading them on the soil around plants or trees to release their nutrients into the ground. 7. For reducing headaches. As fantastic as this may sound, one natural way to reduce and stop headaches is by using banana peels. Potassium abundant in banana peels does prodigies when cold and helps to reduce headaches and migraines. How to use. Put the banana peel in the freezer for an hour. Place one line of the peel on your forepart and one on the reverse of your neck. Leave it until they come warm. Reprise with fresh cold peels until the headache stops. 8. Homemade treatment for warts. You can also use banana peel to treat warts. Banana peels are very effective in removing warts and other skin conditions. You need to rub the banana peel on the wart for about 10 minutes every day until it disappears. If you do not have time to take care of your warts, you can use banana peels as an alternative treatment method to help you get rid of them quickly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll never miss an episode, and we can continue to make them. See you soon.